Good afternoon, welcome to the shed. So I'm going to be refurbishing another small block plane today. It is this one. Been looking forward to this one because it's a lovely little plane. This is one that I bought in the job lot a few weeks ago. It's in pretty good nick. Some blotches on the bottom there, which I think are fairly light rust. We should be able to get rid of those. But I did notice a small problem with it. Oh, by the way, this is a Stanley 60.5. I don't know what the half means. It's a very super low angle, so it's got like a sort of 12-degree angle on the blade, adjustable front and back, side to side, yes, side to side on this one, and also got the adjustable throat. Now I noticed that there's a problem with the throat in that it's higher one side than it is the other. I'm hoping that when we take it apart it's just a bit of dirt. Yeah, nice little plane, brass knobs. Both sides, the ones I've looked at on the internet, I've only seemed to have one brass knob, so I don't know if somebody's swapped it or if I've just got a rare beastie. But it's in good nick. It's not. I don't think it's super old. Okay, let's get over to the bench and give it a clean up. Okay, get a screwdriver. The cap block, a blade, Stanley, made in England. As I say, that looks fairly new, so I don't think this is particularly old. It's in good condition. Then we've got this side-to-side collar. Again, looks nice and new. And a blade adjuster. Again, all looks pretty new, fairly clean anyway. So this is the problem, as I say, just here, this, I don't know if you can hear that, but I can feel that's, I don't know, a few thousandths higher than on this side. So definitely something not right there. And I tried it on a bit of wood and it didn't work particularly well. So let's get that off and see if we can see what's going on there first of all. Front knob is different to the back knob. That's your little shoe plate. Yeah, I can see already there's a load of gunk in there, look. Yeah, a load of sawdust. So I guess that's what's causing that problem. Oh, I got a complete one. I'm going to go and give it a wash anyway. Yeah, and then these, get rid of these rust spots. And we should be good. I'm going to take this long, this one. Doesn't need any paint. Hardly needs anything really, just a clean of the bottom, a wash and put back together. Okay, giving that a clean up, bit of soapy water, come up nicely. I don't think I can really call this a refurbishment. This is basically taking it apart and putting it back together again with a bit of cleaning. Let's just check that that has fixed that issue. Yeah, that now sits tight in there. Yeah, okay, so I was just having a look. They do still make these as I suspected. So it's not very old. It has a 12-degree bed with, I suppose, about a, I don't know, so about 30 degrees. So you probably get about 40-degree angle, which is quite low by the time you've got your bevel included. Okay, so I guess if we polish up the brass knobs and sharpen the blade, we're ready to roll. Going to be a quick one, this. There you go, that's come up beautifully. Didn't take long, did it? Cleaned up nicely. I should give that an oil in a minute. And then we just need to put the blade, or sharpen the blade. In fact, let's oil it now. So, just oil the body first of all with my willy rag thing. Let's just pop the throat back in, or the adjustable throat. Brass knobs, as usual, come up really nice. This is the throat adjuster here. So by moving this little tab here, I can make the throat bigger or smaller, and then tighten it up with that. A super fine work if that's the sort of thing you do. Okay, right, sharpen blade time. It's got a bit of a curve to it, but I don't think it'll take long to get it right. Let's get over to the sharpening table. Oh, I forgot to put some oil in this, didn't I? There you go. Okay, I've set this for a 30-degree angle. This is my Veritas honing guide. There's a video, I'll link to that up above if you want to see that. Set this to 30 degrees. See how we get on. Okay, so that blade is super duper sharp. Got a slight camber on the ends, which I don't need, but is fine. It's very hard to show blade sharpness on camera, but you get the idea. Well, you'll see it in a moment. So I've got a good 30-degree angle on there with a little sort of micro bevel down to another couple of degrees. Okay, let's put that bit back together. That fits in like so. I can't remember how it was. Yeah. Okay, so the screw thread goes in first, somewhere in the middle, and then we've got three adjusting hoops there, depending on how old your blade is. So I guess as this isn't very old, we should be alright on the front one. Feels okay. Then this side to side bracket. Need my glasses on, can't see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, that just knocks the blade side to side. Okay. And then the lever cap, which sits in the middle there. I think I've got this the wrong way around. No, I haven't. I must have. There we go. Goes underneath the blade. That's it. Okay. My bad. Okay. I don't know if you can see that, but the adjuster, this is the side-to-side adjuster, so you can line up your blade nicely, and then you've got a screw adjuster as well, and also a throat adjuster. This one's going in my collection because I don't have one of these. I've got rid of my 110, my Stanley 110, because I like the adjustableness, so I like my 220, and hopefully I'll like this one. I'll let you know in a minute. Okay, that is the finished article. We'll give it a little bit of a test and see how it goes. Okay, this is a little piece of pine. I haven't adjusted the blade or anything yet, so I'm going to take you with me on the journey. The dog's in here down there. I don't know what he's sniffing around at. What have you found, young man? I haven't taken a shaving yet. Getting close. There you go. That's obviously a bit too much. Take that back a little bit. There you go, some lovely thin shavings. So it's nice and sharp. Okay, so that's another one done. Took me, I don't know, about an hour and a half to do that, start to finish. Not bad, is it? It's come up really nice. I know it's not a very old one, but I did promise to show you each of these planes that I got on my market haul as I do them up. So I've only got another 6, I think, to do. So there you go. So that one's going in the collection anyway, so it doesn't really matter how old it is. But it's been looked after. It's nice. It's got a lovely sharp blade now. we're ready to roll. That's going in the drawer. Thanks very much for watching. I'll stick a link to the playlist here so you can watch the other ones as they come in. Thanks for watching. See you soon.